Yes, because we don't want to continue using fossil fuels.
Yes, because the current situation that we have with energy isn't really good because of all the pollution and stuff that we create from coal emissions and greenhouse gases. And other things like wind power, they can be way too expensive and too time-consuming to maintain, so I would go with solar energy.
I do think it's an important grand challenge because in this ever-changing world, solar energy is a very viable solution and one that is possible for us to use. Unlike technologies like fusion energy, which are not ready yet, solar energy could be ready for use today.
It'll give us a clean source of energy and reduce our carbon footprint on the world.
Then we'll be continuing to use fossil fuels, and the road will be going how it's been going, which is going to be a problem in the future.
We would begin to overuse coal and harmful things that would pollute our air, which means we'd spend more money and spend more and pay more to other countries, which would ruin our own economy and our air, which is all lose for us.
I think it will not become usable, or people won't use it, and they'll go to some other energy source like fusion energy.
If we don't make solar energy efficient, we'll have a world that's filled with pollution, and we'll just, as our population increases, so will our carbon emissions, and our world just will not be similar to urban cities, but everywhere.
Well, it could actually reduce the price per kilowatt if we make it sustainable.
Solar energy can help us in ways that we can't even think of. Like, imagine walking outside and you wouldn't see this black smog when you're in New York City. Like, the amount of pollution that is there is ridiculously disgusting. It's nasty. No one needs to see that. And places in like China and India, we don't need that. So if we have solar panels, we wouldn't have to deal with all that nastiness.
Solar energy, well, once it's made cheap, the sun's always going to be there, so it's renewable, and it's clean, and the sun will be found all around the world, so it doesn't matter where you are, you can still use it.
Solar energy could provide us with clean, renewable energy that is safe and reliable.
Well, we can make double-sided solar panels to increase its efficiency.
We take off some of our spending that we use on coal and sort of devote it to solar energy so that at least we can get a head start and yeah.
Well, putting a little more money into it would be helpful. Other than that, we need to find a new material that will absorb more of the sun and hold more energy.
By furthering research, we can solve this current challenge and educating students on the topic so they get interested in it.